Well, welcome to the Rosen Inn at Pointe. I'm going to do a little tour for you so you can see what's what. And we're going to start here at the reception. So let me turn you around and show you. So as you can see, it is Christmas time. So when you get in, that's the registration, that's where you go and sign in, check in and what have you. There is a little shop down here called Light Bites, and that's got all your stuff. It is a bit expensive, but it's convenience. So you can see you can get all your bits and bobs there. There's beverages, fountain drinks, ice creams that are going to melt, so you better get them quickly. Cereals and that sort of thing, and there's a terrace outside. You can get outside from there. I did mention this earlier, but there's a bit of a top tip. If you forget and you've not brought your scales, there's some weighing scales there, so you can weigh your suitcases with all your stuff in. This is the Zebra Sports Bar and Grill. We've not been in there. We don't tend to stay around, but it is there. Any kind of tickets and your vacation planning you can get from here. And this is the restaurant for the breakfasts and the lunch, the Plaza Garden restaurant. It's a decent buffet in there. We have vlogged that. You can have a look at that. Smooth Java Coffee Bar and Gifts. Again, you pay for convenience and it is a thing. And the restrooms, I'll not take you in there. So this is the main building as you come in. As you come out, I think there's 3 pools here. Let me just show you there. Yeah, there's 3 pools, if you can see that. You've got a smoke-free pool, you've got pool 2 and pool 1, and we're going to go and have a look now, but that's the pool. I just walk round. Oh yeah, at the time of filming, they are refurbishing Block A, so you're not going to get to see that, but you can probably see there the scrim that's up. So yeah, you can't actually get to Block A, so I can't show you that, but yeah, that's a pool. So we're going to have a wander around now to the rest of the pools that we can get to. Again, I mean, this is the second time we've stayed here, and we really do like this place. The price you pay for it, it's ridiculously good value. And again, if you book with Virgin, even just for the 1 week, you do get 2 breakfasts and an evening meal for free per person, which I think is good. I think it's very good. I mean, it's up to you if you want to leave a tip. I mean, we left a tip for them, even with the free stuff, but yeah, it's really good. Now we're coming up to a little kids play area, which is out of the back. That is the exit of the Light Bites. It comes onto a little terrace, so you can see. You can go and, if you want to buy something, and eat it out there. There's a little TV as well, a big TV that you can watch while you're having some food. A little kids playground area, and that's open 8 till 10 by the looks of it. Just something to keep the young ones entertained. Again, there's quite a few blocks here. I think there's 4 blocks, A, B, C and D. So I mean, there's a lot of room. It's a very nice complex really, and it's out of the way. It's a bit further down I Drive, past well, it's at Pointe, obviously, past Icon Park. So we're going to have a walk around here to the next pool. So you can see that's the games room and video arcade as well. So there is something for you if you want to go down there. Again, might keep the kids entertained. It's not something that we've bothered with, but yeah, I've seen it in other vlogs where you go in, you buy your tokens, and then you play. So this is a second pool. Well, I'm not showing you too much because there's going to be people bathing in the sun for what it's worth in December, although it is warm today. So this is your second pool. And this has got, I believe this is the one with the gym attached to it. Yeah, I think it is. So you've got the pool there again, and that's 9 a.m. till 10. So you can go in there from 9. I think yeah, this is a smoking one, and I believe that there is the gym. Yeah, you can smoke at this pool. So this is the fitness centre next to it. You just need your room key to get in. That's there. I'm not going to film that too much because that's obviously people working out in there. And this is the third pool. So I believe this is the no smoking pool. I don't know if you can see that, but beyond that, that's the I4 just behind it. So you've got this pool here. So I mean, there's plenty of pools. In the summer they do get a bit crowded, obviously because the pools. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the outside of it. And you can see how big that building is, which is I don't know the capacity of this place, but it's fairly big. There's quite a lot of rooms, and if you've seen the videos where we've been out and about, you've seen there's a CVS and a Pizza Hut. We're just over the road from Walgreens, Miller's, so there's a lot of facilities outside. There is a laundry, well, there's a couple of laundries actually on the different floors. In fact, let me just see if it shows you. Oh, it's going to close on me. Okay. Let me see if it tells you. No, it doesn't tell you, but they're on every other floor. Oh, there you go. Guest laundry 4, level 4, and if you want ice machines, they're on 3 and 5. And you've got the little Starbucks logo there as well. So yeah, as I said, we really like this place. It is, I mean, obviously we're at the main road now, and that just over there is the Ice Bar and the Wonder Works, and just down there is the Pizza Hut and the CVS. So the big question then, would we stay here again? Well, as I've said, it is our second time here. We do like it. We also stayed at the Rosen International, which is further up on the big crossroads where the McDonald's is, and we are going to stay there again in March. Now, as far as would we stay again, we do like this place. Unfortunately, we've been a bit spoilt with the Rosen Inn International, and that is basically, we feel it's in a better position for you're more amongst things, you're in the centre of it. So unless we can get a really cheap holiday here, then we'll probably not be coming back. Nothing against the Rosen itself, it's just the location. Obviously I like the Rosens, but we've stayed in, I think this is our 4th Rosen, the 4th time we've stayed at Rosen, so we do like it. It is just a case that we think that the International has better location for us personally. So that's the tour. You've seen it all. You've seen the pools and you've seen outside, and unfortunately I can't show you Block A because it is under construction, well, under whatever it's called, it's refurbishment, so we can't actually show you that, but everything else you've seen. And to be fair, while it has been under refurbishment, we've not even been able to tell. You've seen the scrum up there, you can't really see, and they don't make a great deal of noise. Whether we've missed that or not, I don't know, we've just been lucky. But we're in Block C, so we're a little bit away from it, but yeah, it's been fine. Again, love the Rosen. Do like Pointe, with just you're a bit more in the thick of things at the International. So yeah, I would stay here again, but if there's a choice between the International and Pointe, it's going to be the International. So thanks for watching this. I hope it's been of use and help to somebody. If you have enjoyed it, if you could leave us a like, we'd much appreciated. If you haven't already, if you consider subscribing, it does help the channel out. We're only a small channel, but we're hoping to grow. Well, we'll see you real soon for the tour of the International when we stop again in March. Right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.